Step into channel once again. Okay. Now trigonometry part 18. Those who did not watch part 17, go through it. The link is given in the description. The continuation topic, trigonometric identities or Pythagorean identities. Now I am going to discuss the problems which are connected to trigonometric identities for AP and State Board syllabus, Polyset, Triple IT, etc. Whatever the Olympiads examinations it may be. So 1, 2, 3, 4 problems I have written here. Let us go through it now. So Quad 30, Quad 45 and Quad 60 are in AP, GP, HP none. So nothing but here arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression and these are the various types of progressions you know. So let us go through. Just you should be able to know the value. Quad 30 is root 3 and here it is 1 and here it is 1 by root 3. So this is the value and this is the value. If you observe carefully, immediately you can cross it arithmetic progression because difference will not be same. Common ratio will be same here. So this implies our R is nothing but 1 by root 3 and also R is nothing but here 1 by root 3 by 1 which gives you 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. So the ratio of the consecutive terms is same here. Then I can pick up easily B option. So just in 30 seconds this question has been completed. So we have anyhow in state boards AP and GP, so no need to go for HP and other things. So just by writing the values immediately you can pick it up in 10 seconds. Next, sec alpha plus tan alpha is equal to K, then tan alpha minus sec alpha. So here by saying this, please mark it as important objective type question. By saying this one, you should able to get idea regarding trigonometric identities. We know that sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is nothing but 1. A square minus B square nothing but A plus B into M minus B. So that I can write here sec alpha plus tan alpha into sec alpha minus tan alpha is equal to 1. But this is given as our K, this value. So this implies this I am writing sec alpha minus tan alpha is equal to 1. But they asked the value of tan alpha minus sec alpha. Immediately taking minus, I can write directly here. Taking minus, I can write here tan alpha minus sec alpha is equal to 1 by K, minus 1 by K. After taking minus here, I have written directly K, so minus 1 by K. So please viewers, mark this one as an important step. Once again analyzing here, they ask tan alpha minus sec alpha, but here sec alpha minus tan alpha, taking minus as common, and since the operation is multiplication, shifting to that side becomes division. So minus 1 by K, nothing but our here D option. Okay, many of the students will write the B option here, 1 by K. 1 by K is possible when sec alpha minus tan alpha. Okay, so next part, the third one, root of 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta. This stands for A option, B, C, D. So after simplification, we have to check whether which one is going to follow here. So nothing but I can write this one as, this I can write it as cos theta by sin theta into 1 by sin theta. Splitting sin square theta, sin theta into sin theta. So this stands for our cot theta and this stands for our cosec theta. Okay, so cot theta into cosec theta, nothing but it stands for our B option. So just 2 steps, 10 seconds. Next, coming to the last one. If cosec square theta minus cot square theta plus tan square theta is equal to m square, then we have to find out m value. So m is either it is cos theta or sin theta, sec theta, or 1, we have to check. Now writing here cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Shifting this part to that side. I can write here m square minus tan square theta. So this is nothing but our 1, and if you consider here m is nothing but our m square minus tan square theta, now we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So writing here m is nothing but our C option. So I can write directly now sec square theta minus tan square theta. Small but logic. Okay, small logic. That's all. Here the fourth one. So first, second one, and here first, second, third, fourth. Everyone plays important role. So in the place of m, I have here sec theta. So finally m they asked, m is sec theta, but is considering sec theta here in the place of m, we are going to get our result. Just shifting to that side this quantity. So 4 different problems which is related to our trigonometry. Of course, this is may not be under trigonometric identities, but plays important role here. One of the different problem. So second, third, fourth, like this trigonometric identity is loaded. Okay, once you have a total look. So like this various problems we can go through for the competitive examinations. Okay, see you in the next videos. Bye.